Welcome to Gilly. Today you'll learn how to duplicate permits. If your project is recurring, spans multiple conservation districts, or will include similar information, the duplication tool makes starting a new permit quick and easy. You can duplicate a permit in either the In Progress or All Permits view. Simply click the icon next to the permit you'd like to duplicate here in the In Progress view. And then you can do the same in the All Permits view by clicking the duplication icon here. And then continue to your new 310 joint permit application. Once you have created a second application, make changes as needed. Remember that you'll need to add attachments and a new signature for each submission. And that's it. Have questions? Explore Gilly's helpful resources or reach out to your local conservation district. Thank you.